Hi folks, this video covers Chapter 8 Skills Review 866 through 8-73. You're going to want to launch InDesign, and you can go ahead and open up InDesign 8-11 from your chapter data files. Navigate out to where they're at. Okay, now you want to click the selection tool and then move the objects on the page so you can see how the graphic is built. So you can just do a Control Z. Looks like these black elements are placed over the top, stacked on top of the blue square. Okay. Revert the file to return the layout to its original state, which we already did with our undo, the Control Z. Now we're going to display the layers panel. Move that over there. I'm just going to pull it right out like that. Then verify that only layer 1 is visible and targeted, and that's the case. Select all, so Control A, and then click the subtract button on the Pathfinder panel. So if you don't already have the Pathfinder panel open, you're going to want to find it. That is under Object and Layout, Pathfinder. And again, you're going to want to do the subtract, which is the second one in. So now what happened is the objects on top were subtracted from the blue square below in the stacking order. Okay, now click on the Edit menu bar. Click Copy. I'm going to go ahead and select that again. Edit, Copy, and then click Edit and Paste in Place. Edit, Paste in Place. And then change the fill color to Pantone 1797C. So let's find that color. Go to your swatches. And that's this red-ish tone here. And I'm in my stroke, so I want to do an undo, make sure my fill is on top. There we go. Make layer 2 visible, so deselect, go to your layers panel. Go ahead and do that. Make layer 2 visible with the little eyeball. And make sure it's active. Okay, and then press and hold Shift, then click the yellow star and add it to the selection. So I believe the selection we had before, if we go back, that was selected, then we turn visible, and then we hold Shift, and we're also selecting that yellow star. So if you didn't already have that blue subtracted square selected, make sure that's selected before you go to the layer 2 and put it as a visible active layer, because that could cause problems for you. Okay, so what we're going to do now is click the Exclude Overlap button on the Pathfinder. That's intersect. This one is add, minus back, exclude overlap. Okay, so now we have this interesting sort of shape with the blue coming through. Click Pantone Reflex Blue C on the swatches panel. Okay, now it's blue and like a lighter blue. Now we're going to create new stroke styles, so deselect all. Click the Stroke Panel Options button. Then click Stroke Styles. I believe that's what it wants us to do. Yep. Stroke Styles. Click New. Then type New Dash. In the name text box. Verify that the dash is listed in the type text box. You can tab out of there. Dash is listed. Select the value in the length text box, which it's already selected. Then type 0.125. Click the white space to the right of the dash to add a new dash. Select the value in the start text box. Type 0.19. Then press Tab and type 0.1. Then press Tab. Okay. Now we're pretty much customizing our dashes here. And then after that, you will click OK. See the dash we made here. We created, it says new dash. Okay, note the new dash stroke in the Stroke Styles dialog box, then click OK. Select the circle. Click the type list arrow on the stroke panel. And then you want to click New Dash. So now we have this new interesting dash that surrounds our circle. Change the stroke color to Pantone Reflex Blue C. So we'll go to the swatches panel again and change it to the Reflex Blue. And remember, you want to make sure that you are on the stroke. Okay? Save your work and then close Pathfinder Strokes Review. So we're going to save our work file. Pathfinder Strokes Review. Save it to the desktop, and that'll be one of the many files you'll upload to this week's submission link. And I'll see you in the next video.